on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back, and Kenny's back. Just came back from a long,
wherever the fuck I was.
Yeah, middle of nowhere, and came over to Kenny's house, and apparently he's got some sort of secret plan. Hey, your backpack's coming along real nice.
Yeah.
Oh, stickers.
Hopefully I don't run this one over. I got a little bit of room left. If anybody.
Do you have my sticker? You do. All right.
I do have your sticker. I've got the white one.
Yeah, that looks good on there.
Have that one.
DSGs looks good on there.
Oh, did you see the?
Oh shit! You put it on the frame. That's nice.
Yeah, I got a little scratch there. I don't.
Oh, so that's to cover a scratch.
Yeah. Well, that's what decals are for.
Yeah, who you got? Yeah, Capo, Cali Girl, Red Bomb, Red One, Rude Rudy, Midwest, DSG, Glitter Ninja, Mr. Fish, got Captain Bagger, Gigawatts, me, 5150. I can't see the other side, man. Yeah, you got a good setup.
We are here. We are at the surprise.
All right. What is this surprise? What is this?
You will see. I think it's over there in the corner.
It's definitely rape.
That's what it is.
In the corner? Oh, they got menudo? Sorry.
Yep, we are here at the indoor karting speed
What?
circuit. And I'm about to rape that ass.
Is this K1?
You are getting raped, my friend.
You okay? Oh my God.
At ease.
Yeah.
This is a surprise. Indoor kart racing. I knew you were talking shit. Yeah.
All right, it's gonna happen.
So now we got fresh batteries. I got all kinds of cameras.
Bro. Whew. Are you sure this is recording, right?
It's recording.
All right.
I'm trying not to hit the kid.
Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck behind her. What? What?
Oh! Oh no! You're so far ahead.
Outside, inside, buddy.
Oh, you do me a favor, crash to the wall.
The little kid's in the way.
That's right. Thanks, little kid. Yeah.
Good luck getting around her, though.
Oh no! Little kid.
I told you.
Oh no! Oh! God damn it! No! Oh!
Stuck here too.
This is my comeback right here. Yeah.
Fucking stuck behind this girl.
Yeah. Yeah, little kid. Yeah.
Oh, come on. Don't bump her.
Nope, I'm not.
God damn it! You. I'm so stuck behind her.
Yeah, thank you, little kid. Woo! It's on.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna catch up.
No, you ain't. The fuck you ain't. I got no little kids in front of me. Oh, yeah, maybe you might get fucking
I'm coming, Kenny.
You ain't coming to shit.
Yes. Yes, kids.
No. No little kids.
Hey, Kenny.
Oh,
How you doing?
Got my ass, bro.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry. Are you okay? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's good. Asshole
How's
Kenny.
that little kid?
You asshole Kenny.
Oh, no. Making babies cry, running little girls off the track.
Oh yeah, I'm coming for that ass, Kenny. Don't knock out another kid.
No, I'm not going to, man. Oh, damn it. Oh. I'm trying not to hit this kid.
Oh, she's going so slow. Alright, I'm out. Oh! I'm out of here!
Oh no.
Like the gingerbread man said, you can't catch me!
No! No! Ghost Ninja, no! Damn! No, they're so slow! Go, go! Let's go faster! Let's go, kid! Oh, damn! Damn, where the fuck are you? Shit!
That's exactly what I like to hear. Bye, Kenny! Bye, Felicia!
Oh! Oh!
Number one right there, Kenny.
Oh.
What's that number one, Kenny?
Are you kidding?
What's that number one?
Oh, this chick.
Damn, you got it in third. What happened,
Yeah,
Kenny?
Good job. Oh man. Yup.
Damn, Kenny. Look at that expensive ass
helmet.
helmet. It didn't even help you for anything.
You know what? There's only 3 of us.
I think so. It's gonna be dope. This is gonna be good. You have no excuses here, Kenny.
No little kid.
You got one kid in the way. Oh shit!
Oh damn!
You trying to Days of Thunder me?
Yeah, man.
What the fuck was that? I thought I was gonna die. I saw my lifeline between my eyes.
Oh god. Damn, this thing's fucking way faster than the old one.
I think mine's a little slower.
Oh good. Can't fucking get around you, goddammit! Ah.
Welcome to hell.
Welcome to hell. Oh.
Tacos!
Fuck out of here, bro.
I'm trying to set lap records.
Can't fucking keep up, man. Oh, yeah, that's it.
What's going on back there, Kenny?
I'm taking my L. I'm settling into Lville right now.
Hey, you're not losing the kids? What's going on, Kenny?
Oh. I lost to a little girl. God damn.
You did lose to a little girl.
Damn, this is going on YouTube forever.
Man,
Fuck.
you straight lost to a little girl. And the dad was like, you lost to my little girl. I heard him. He said, damn, my daughter beat you.
Your daughter didn't beat me.
Damn, you're just getting further and further behind, man.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Ooh, someone hit the wall. Oh! Oh, Kenny, what are you doing? You trying to take me out?
Fucking Days of Thunder, bitch.
Oh, you son of a bitch, you're gonna get us kicked out. You son of a bitch.
Oh, look at that. Number 1, baby. Number 1.
Are you on number 1?
Yeah, I am.
That's some bullshit, little kid. Fuck that little kid.
Oh, shit. That show made me laugh, bro.
The fucking little kid screwed me up.
You know what I hear?
What?
Rock, 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 rock.
Fuck you. God damn it! No, Felicia!
Woo! Number 1, baby.
Alright, let's see come down to that final round. Oh, I'm gonna hit you now, bitch! God damn it!
Yeah! Woo!
You... Fuck you, Kenny. That'll give a good measure. You had a faster. How did you do? You were behind me the whole race. How did you get that? That makes no sense.
Yeah. Oh.
This is live. Right, I ain't holding back. I let that little. I was nice to that little kid.
Yeah,
you didn't care, dude. I got it on film. You were an asshole.
You know what that sounds like. You know what that sounds like.
You know what's bad? What tastes real good is free tacos. Shit was fogging up.
Yeah. After that one bump, man, my fucking visor like
Which
Back
bump?
down.
Oh, when you hit me?
Yeah.
When you hit me, you mean?
When I hit
Call
you,
it a bump. Call it a bump. But when you mean when you hit me?
No, I didn't hit you.
Mhm.
I was passing you.
That was the other guy.
Boz is down.
Oh, goodbye, Kenny. Oh, goodbye, Kenny. Goodbye, Kenny. Oh, this one's way faster.
Oh shit, yeah it is.
Oh shit, this one's faster.
Oh shit, the brakes are different.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, damn, dude, I can't fucking not slide.
Yeah, I'm sliding everywhere. Oh shit, these are way faster. These are much faster.
No!
Free tacos!
Oh goddamn!
That dude, you just got lapped by a noob.
Oh man, I fucking split out. Yo, this thing's fast. Holy
Yeah, these are way faster.
where you at, bro?
Where am I at? I'm out here.
Holy shit! This guy's fucking trying to lap me too. Goddamn!
Damn, Kenny! What are you doing?
Dude, this guy's fucking on my ass, bro. Oh damn!
Woo! I almost ate shit.
Oh no! What the fuck happened?
What?
Oh, they're literally in this race.
Kenny?
Yeah.
No, it ain't gonna happen.
Oh, you gonna fucking lap me, dude?
I'm by myself. I'm by myself.
Oh, man, you fucking asshole. Oh, God.
I'm gonna lap all these motherfuckers here.
Damn. Damn, Ghost.
Woo!
You're killing him. Oh, man. Fuck, you still out in first, though.
What?
Yeah, somebody else got better last time than you. I think I'm in first right now. Shit, dude, that guy's fucking far away, too. God damn. Oh, this fucking corner right here always gets me. You know, alright.
Oh!
I'll admit it, yeah. Alright, you know, alright.
Later, fella.
Fourth. Are we going by what the sheet says?
I guess. Oh!
Oh!
Did you see that?
No, but I've been fucking trying to pass these two guys, get away from fucking my shit up.
Woo!
No, god damn it, you're gonna fucking lap me, shit!
Oh! My bad. Hi.
Damn it, I'm in fifth right now, shit!
I just smashed into that dude. Oh!
Shit, still fucking fifth. Yeah, bye. Damn!
That was fun. Kenny,
Yeah.
how'd that feel? Kick the bells. Kenny,
Yeah.
you know you're racing? It's like that, out of service.
Good job.
29 seconds, or best lap time was almost under 30 seconds.
Yeah. Holy fuck, dude, that was fast.
Damn, you were fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth!
Shut up.
Alright, people, well, Kenny is buying tacos.
Yeah, I'm buying tacos.
It's Taco Tuesday for me, even though it's Saturday. I mean, they don't have a number 5 on there.
Shut up. Do something like fucking dramatic.
What can I do? I don't know.
Do that one again.
Oh, that's so good. That is so good. You going up there? Come on.
Fuck no.
Come on, go in third. Just stand in third.
There's no 5, remember?
Oh, my cheeks hurt. Is that 5?
Come on.
All right, your turn. Come on. Come on. Get out there.
No.
Look, he's strong.
He's strong. You can hold both of us.
Favorite person right here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's so adorable. Hold on. You gotta look into his eyes.
This is so gay.
Kenny says it's so gay and he still does it.